Hi guys, so today let me teach you how to earn money while reading news. So let's start by going to Play Store and search for Buzzbreak. So here it is. So we can now click on install and wait for it to download. If you're using an iPhone, you can still download Buzzbreak through App Store. Now let's open the app. We have the option to log in through Facebook. So this is the main page where you can read news. And then let's click on wallet. And here is where we will see the earnings and where to withdraw our money. As you can see, I have 27 pesos and 67 centavos in my earnings so far. Once you click that amount, it will route you to cash out page. And as you can see, we can cash out from 1 peso to 1,153 pesos. The only option we have to cash out is via GCash. So previously we have PayPal, but they already removed that option. These are my previous cash out. Usually take up to 3 to 5 days for us to receive our money. Let's go back to the home page and let me show you how I earn by reading articles. Let us choose one article. Let's try this article. So let's just scroll down and you can see the yellow icon at the lower right. So that serves as the timer. So once the timer stops, we need to scroll right until the bottom of the page for us to get the points. There, we get 300 points. So another way to earn money here in Buzzbreak is just to log in every day and you will receive additional points. There will be a short ad to watch and then after that you will receive the additional points. Let's see. There, we got 2,000 points, so for free. Another way to earn is by watching short videos. So let's try. Okay. Finally. let's just finish this video and let's see how much points we can earn. And we earned 100 points. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like if you learned something from this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.